What do you think about a law that bans honking, beeping or sirens on radio stations' commercials? Add screeching tires to the list. Actually, that law exists in my country since most people listen to radio while driving. I honestly haven't thought about it because that law was passed back when I was too young to even consider driving. All for it. I've been in my boyfriend's car when one with a siren and both of us immediately started looking for a fire truck because there's 2 stations that run on this street. Fucking yes. I personally freak out every time I hear such a commercial and I just can't take any more of them. That is one of the main reasons I don't want to listen to the radio anymore. I'm all for that. They also need to stop saying Alexa, or anything close to it in commercials. It keeps setting my device off. I can't even watch Schitt's Creek in the same room as my device.